Moving on now, Brazil has reported more than 1,300 deaths and over 47,000 COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours. While the US has recorded more than 1,200 deaths overnight, raising the toll to over 171,000 with nearly 5.5 million infections. Globally, the pandemic has infected over 22.1 million people and claimed more than 780,000 lives. More details in this report.
Thousands are dying and getting infected worldwide daily by the new coronavirus as governments scramble to secure vaccine deals. Brazil has approved the final stage trials for Johnson & Johnson's experimental vaccine, the fourth to get a nod for testing in the country. In Argentina, government has reimposed lockdowns in parts of the country as cases tally crossed 305,000. Mexican health officials say the virus is on a steady decline in the country after reporting a drop in fatalities during the past week.
The trend is clear. Some indicators I will comment on in the slides consistently show the number of daily cases are decreasing, including the numbers of deaths, which have been very unfortunate, each and every one of them, but they have been in sustained decline for more than 6 weeks. Hospitalization have also decreased.
In Europe, the second wave is surging in many countries as governments reimpose lockdowns. Over in Australia, the government has secured a deal with British drug maker AstraZeneca for a potential vaccine, saying free doses will be provided to the public. While WHO Chief Tedros Ghebreyesus says the world needs to prevent vaccine nationalism.
It's critical that countries don't repeat the same mistakes. We need to prevent vaccine nationalism. And for this reason, WHO is working with governments and the private sector to both accelerate the science through the ACT Accelerator and ensure that new innovations are available to everyone, everywhere, starting with those at highest risk.
Mainland China has reported a further decline in cases with no new domestic transmissions, but only 17 imported new cases. In South Korea, the daily cases have hit a 5-month high with 297 infections being reported in the past 24 hours.